Mr. Sustin?
Yes,
Oh my goodness. What are you doing, Mr. Sustin?
I am mixing 6 molar hydrochloric acid solutions.
I think he said, I'm mixing 6 molar hydrochloric acid solutions.
But I sounded like the teacher from Peanuts.
Sounding like the teacher from Peanuts. Mr. Sustin is wearing a respirator and goggles because hydrochloric acid, off gases, there's some vapors there that are very, very irritating to nasal membranes. And when he is mixing this, he of course, well, apparently is making a mess. He has to use concentrated acid, which is what, about 12 molar?
Very corrosive.
Very corrosive. And we're diluting this down, so he's mixing that with some deionized or distilled water.
Yes?
And we're measuring that very carefully so that you guys have the proper solutions. But we thought it would be nice for you to see what kind of safety procedures have to happen. He just got that bottle out of our acid carrier.
I am a trained professional.
He's a trained professional.
And it says you take 258 milliliters of the concentrated acid
Yes,
and add that to water to make 1 liter of solution.
yes. And
And a wise chemistry teacher once told me, do what you oughter, add acid to water.
very good.
Would you like to explain why?
Well, if you add water to acid, when those two things come in contact with each other, there's a lot of heat generated. And if we're going to do that in a tall, skinny tube like this, and that heat might cause that solution to boil, we certainly do not want to have that spewing out of the giant graduated cylinder here that we're using and cause any damage. So Mr. Sustin is all geared up in case of that eventuality, and he is mixing away, making some concentrate or some dilute solutions for us.
I also have my spill kit, just in case.
Right.
Sodium bicarbonate solution will neutralize the hydrochloric acid and prevent it from burning my skin.
Yeah, we would hate for that to happen.